you ever wondered why certain aspects of your business light you up while others leave you feeling drained? What if I told you that the secret to finding your true business passion lies in your astrology chart? In today's episode, we're uncovering where that might be for you. We're looking at your Venus sign and what this placement can reveal about your true business passions. So stay tuned to discover how to align your business journey with the cosmic energy of Venus. Welcome back. I'm your host, Sophia Palace, an astrologer, a copywriter, and an online business strategist. I'm here to help you decode the wisdom, the ancient wisdom of astrology, and use those insights practically and powerfully in your business. So on this channel, on this podcast, we talk about using astrology to build your personal brand, to refine your message, and to improve your marketing strategy so you feel aligned and in flow in your business. Today, we are focusing on Venus, the planet of love, of beauty, and what you value most. But did you know that Venus also plays a really important role in identifying your business passions, or in helping you to identify your business passions? By understanding your Venus sign, you can discover what really motivates you in your business, what you're really searching for from that values perspective, and how to create a fulfilling and prosperous business. Because using that Venusian energy is what's going to move you along the path of making more money and feeling more pleasure and more joy in your business. So let's dive into the Venus sign placements. We're going to do a sign by sign breakdown and see what they might be revealing or indicating about what you really want to do, what you really love doing in your business passion. Let's start with Aries. If your Venus is in Aries, you likely thrive on excitement and on innovation and on creativity. You are passionate about starting new projects, and you possibly love the thrill of the chase, both in business and in your personal life. You have business passions that often lie in initiating new ideas and taking some bold risks. You're often driven by a little bit of competition, like you love a little bit of competition and enjoy being the first to market something new, something exciting in your industry. Ultimately, the Venus Aries is very passionate about getting things going and moving things forward and really like igniting the fire under the project. If you have Venus in Taurus, this is Venus in its home sign. It is drawn to stability and luxury. So you might have a passion for creating high quality, beautiful products that are going to stand the test of time. You might also love and be really passionate about building something solid and enduring because you find joy in creating things of substance. And you also find joy in sensory experiences. So that might be related to your work. So think beautiful packaging, comfortable environments, and things that relate to the finer things in life. That's very Venusian, very Taurian. If you have Venus in Gemini, this Venus placement means that you're really excited and passionate about communication and variety. In your business, you love to be able to interact with different people and explore different ideas and a range of ideas. You are passionate about networking, about teaching, and you really need to do work that keeps you mentally stimulated. So this is an important part of your values in business, is that you're constantly being intellectually stimulated. You're constantly expanding through communication and knowledge. Flexibility and adaptability are also business strengths of yours and make you great at juggling multiple projects. And I talk a lot about Gemini energy in the episode, the Gemini episode of the Zodiac business series, if you want to dive deeper into that. But think of the Gemini business passion. The thing that you're going to be really good at and really love in your business is communicating and connecting with other people. So allow that to come through in your business in a really strong way. With Venus in Cancer, this is a signature of someone who is very passionate about nurturing and caring for others. And so this could be nurturing and caring for your clients in business. Your business passions are connected to creating a sense of home and emotional security for your clients. So this is where you're going to really shine, where you're going to really be able to kind of, create a special experience in your business for your clients. So you may be doing this through the products that you create or sell, through wellness services, or any kind of programs or services that are fostering a supportive community, a feeling of home. You find fulfillment, you find excitement, you find value in making people feel loved and cared for. So really allow that to become a big part of your business. If you have Venus in Leo, this means you're likely drawn to creativity and self-expression in a different way to the Aries Venus. You have a passion for being able to shine and showcase your talents. Your business values are around fields where you can be more bold, where you can be in the spotlight, where you can inspire others with your confidence and your charisma. The Venus in Leo is very charismatic. It's drawn to this idea of regality, of royalness as well, like luxury and being a lot more extravagant in some ways than the other signs. Like that is a value that is important in your business. With a Venus in Leo, you really want to highlight your special sauce, your special skills, your special creative expression. And you also might want to help your clients feel that they're also in the spotlight when they work with you. If you have Venus in Virgo, you are likely passionate about service and making things better or perfecting things. You will really appreciate things in your business that allow you, when you're able to improve systems and help others in practical ways. This is a very practical, service-oriented Venus. It wants to make improvements all the time. It's always perfecting. So your business passions may involve getting really meticulous and putting a lot of attention to detail into things like maybe you have a health and wellness business or any business that requires precision and a commitment to excellence. Venus in Libra. This is another one of Venus's home signs. So Venus in Libra means you are passionate about Venusian themes like harmony and beauty. You are likely drawn to activities in business or to businesses that involve aesthetics, partnerships, and social connections. So your business passions often revolve around design, connecting with others like through diplomacy, through maybe some sort of mediating different viewpoints, and any field that's going to require you to bring a sense of balance and bring people together. You're going to really enjoy the parts of your business that allow you to bring people together in a harmonious way. And maybe this is like when you're able to, for instance, run something like a really special retreat for your clients. Or, I have an interior designer client who has Venus in Libra. So that's where her Venus is really able to shine in that design sense, and she's really able to amplify her eye for design, but also wants to bring people together in harmony. So think about those things in your business. What is it that really lights you up and gets you going? People with Venus in Scorpio. This Venus is passionate about depth and transformation. So in business, you're going to thrive when you're allowed to explore the mysteries of life and help others undergo profound changes. Your business passions often involve things like psychology, astrology, healing, or any venture that is going to dive deep into the human experience and really uncover some hidden truths. This is what's really going to light you up in business and what you could focus even more on. If you have a Sagittarius Venus, this means you are passionate about adventure and knowledge and exploration. You love businesses and business activities that allow you to explore new horizons and share your discoveries with others. So your business passions might lie in education, in travel, and any field that's going to expand your mind, expand your horizons, and kind of fuel this quest for wisdom. So that's a beautiful way to tap into your Venus and your passions in business. If you have Venus in Capricorn, you are passionate about achievement and structure. This is a Venus that thrives in businesses that have clear goals and provide an opportunity to climb the ladder of success in some way. So your business passions might involve leadership, they might involve long-term planning and being involved in long-term planning and creating something of lasting value. You might be really great at business activities and being in a business that is helping others to build something of lasting value. You are driven by that desire to build a legacy. Venus in Aquarius. Venus in Aquarius means you are passionate about innovation and social change. This is a Venus that is drawn to businesses and business activities that allow you to think outside the box. This Venus wants to make a difference in the world and wants to think in a new or different way. Your business passions might lie in things like technology, in the social justice realm, or anything that's going to challenge the status quo and promote something progressive or some sort of change that's going to move us forward. So lean into that stuff when it comes to your business. And finally, if you have Venus in Pisces, which is actually where Venus is lifted up or what's called exalted. If you have Venus in Pisces, you are passionate about compassion. This is a Venus that is here for the big feelings. It's very empathetic and very creative. You are going to thrive in businesses and doing business activities that allow you to tap into your imagination and help others in meaningful and creative ways. So your business passions often involve things to do with the arts, with spirituality, or anything that's going to allow you to connect deeply with others and inspire them through your empathy and your vision and your creativity. So understanding your Venus sign is going to give you some powerful insights into what drives you in your business. And by aligning your business, your ventures with the cosmic energy of your Venus sign, you're going to be able to create a path for yourself that feels more fulfilling and therefore more successful to you. Venus is a sign that is associated with money. So when you can connect with your business passion, you are likely to also have the flow-on effect of making more money. I encourage you, if you don't know your Venus placement already, please watch my video on setting up your own free astrology chart so you can go and check out where it is. And if you are ready to dive deeper into your astrology chart and really unlock what's going on for you and how you might work better with your business superpowers, book a one-on-one call with me. The link is in the show notes. I will be back very soon with more videos on how to understand your purpose in business, how to work with your personal brand in an even deeper way. So stay tuned for those.